Cleaners for metals. The Shield to Shine process requires no rubbing or polishing. It is so easy, so simple, that it actually makes cleaning a pleasure with unbelievable results. Shield to Shine removes dirt, grime, greasy film, watermarks, and it even covers scratches. Apply with a clean, dry cloth. Using disposable wipes or rags preserves the surface against deterioration of all kinds. Shield to Shine immediately forms a protective coating on any surface. It repels water, prevents penetration of harmful liquids, and retains its gloss indefinitely. It also resists fingerprints and streaking. Shield to Shine does not contain acid, silicone, or any abrasive substance. It will not powder or cake in carved woods, crevices, etc., and can be purchased in most hardware stores. Thanks for hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts, Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips help to keep your home clean. And remember, our reputation is spotless. Visit us on the web at Teresa's Family Cleaning for more helpful hints.